trading for a year now, and I've been able to do a lot of things while trading, and I flipped $500 to 5,000. That was shown on my last video, and now I flipped 200 to 6,000, which it will be maybe at the beginning or at the end of the video. And I've started trading with Genius Trading 5 months ago, and since then it has been a lot of breakthrough. And yeah, and the great advice I would have for anybody that will be trading is the most important part is don't let losses break you down, because psychologically trading affects you, and it may you always lose. The losses will be always be there, but you just have to control yourself psychologically and move on. And the advice I can give for beginners is never give up, because the content or the idea to give up will come, and don't just give up and keep pushing harder. My goal for 2021 is to become a six-figure trader, and I pray that will be so. Actually, I'm working on FTMO, so I'll update you very soon. On maybe after 20 days, I'll update you guys. But I'm still working on it now, and I'll pass because the course is actually great. Not more than that. And I will recommend the course for my family members. Why? Because it's great. I will recommend what is good for my family members because there's nothing bad, because they could actually make it like me, since I'm nobody. And I did it without any, with just the mentor of Raphael, and I'm here becoming a five-figure trader for now, and maybe in the next future I'll become a six-figure trader. And by on and on, let's go. And what do else I have to say? Nothing.